Hello test takers, and welcome back to Exam Prep Solutions, and today we're going to be going over a geotechnical problem involving relative compaction. I've got an FE exam excerpt over here. You're going to want to pull up yours digitally because that's what you're going to be using on the exam. You want to get very familiar with that guide. So let's talk about the problem statement here. The dry unit weight in the field has the following characteristics: 55 kilogram weight of solids, and then the volume is 2 meters cubed. And then the max unit weight has the following characteristics: a 20 kilogram weight of water, a water content of 30%, and a volume of 1.5 meters cubed when it's dry. Determine the relative compaction percentage of the soil. So first, you're going to want to try and attempt this problem on your own and see what the answer is, and I will go into the solution. Okay, let's dive in. So first, relative compaction percentage is going to equal the unit weight in the field, and then that's going to be divided by the unit weight max, and then times by 100 is going to give us our relative compaction percentage. So we have the unit weight of the field. We can find 55 divided by 2. That's just going to equal 27.5 kilograms per meters cubed. Pretty simple there. But finding the max one's going to be a little more difficult. We have the weight of water and water content, but we don't have any of the weight of the solids. So we're going to use the water content equation. So 30% equals the weight of water, which is 20. And that's going to be divided by the weight of solid, which we don't know, and then times by 100. And so 30 divided by 100, that's just going to equal 0.3. We times the weight of solid to the other side of the equation. So we have 20 divided by 0.3. That equals 66.6667. But remember, that is just our weight of solid. Now we're going to divide that by our volume, which is 1.5, and that's going to give us 44.4445. So now we can find the relative compaction percentage here. So we go 27.5 divided by 44. I'm just going to round it off. 0.45 equals 0.6187, and then we times that number by 100. That's going to give us our percentage here, 61.87. So it's looking like we're going to be answer B here in this case. So we just want to remember that we want to be careful with the units we're working with, make sure we find the correct values, then plug it into that relative compaction percentage. Other problems might include a compaction graph that you're going to look at. There's a variety of ways to do this problem, but for this one, we're just going to need to use a few different phase relationship equations to find what we need to get that compaction percentage. Anyways, we have a free guide, the 5 steps to solving any FE exam problem. You can download that in the description box. It's 100% free. Just tell us where to send it. If you have any questions about this problem, leave it in a comment, or any future problems you'd like to see, you can also leave that in a comment. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time.